So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show something on the screen like that for a few seconds and then I take it off. What's going to be on that are dots, and you have to tell me without counting how many dots did you see over there. Okay, and don't all shout at once. You don't inform each other about it. Don't give the answer. I will tell you when to give the answer. Then you can tell the answer. Okay. Do you have any questions or doubt? Somebody wanted to say something. Is that fine? Are you all ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Just mute yourself. Okay, all of you. So ready? In 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. So now, what you can do is in the chat, you can give the answer directly to me. So my question is, okay. So can you all just yes. Okay. When you send this,
Should I give it to you privately?
sure. Okay.
Sir, given.
Okay, I saw it. Except Vana has written some 7 trillion dots or something like that. 7 trillion, 7,700.
It happened by mistake. I was writing that only. I clicked once and it happened.
Okay. So, all right. Everybody got it right. Nobody got it wrong. Okay. So, it's very easy to get it right. Hey, except Nivan is not sure whether it was 6 or 7. But everybody else who looked at it know that there are 7 dots on that screen. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want some of you to tell me or describe to me um, how you manage to count the number of dots, although I did not actually give you enough time to count the dots. Okay, so how did you manage to do the counting? Can somebody start off? And what I mean is that you obviously saw a pattern, okay, and using that pattern, because you didn't have enough time to get all the information in, you used the pattern to figure out how many dots were there. And there's going to be something, I think there's going to be something very interesting and surprising about how people did that. So that's what I want to know. What patterns did you see? So we can start off with anybody who wants to. Shailesh, you want to say something? Your hand's always up, man. Okay, so let me start with Shailesh. Shailesh, what pattern did you see? Can you describe the pattern to me? How did you see those 7 dots?
So it was 3 on. So it was like three on each side, and in the middle there was a dot, only one.
Okay, omega. You say omega?
No,
Shailesh?
sir.
No. So you said you saw 3.
Each side
Yeah, 3 on each side. So
and one more in the middle.
and one more in the middle. So wait, so I'm going to try and draw the pattern that you saw. So you tell me if this is how you saw it. Did you see something like that?
Not exactly.
Huh? Would you agree or you want me to change something over here?
Yeah, I want you to change it.
What do I do with this line?
The middle dot has to be a little more. Sir, see, if we are taking the right side.
Middle one should be a dot. Is this right?
No. Take one of the sides, and in the sides there is one middle dot, right? Of the 3 in the sides.
Yeah.
You have to take that out.
Okay.
Means the
I got
right one.
So you saw it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what Shailesh saw. If somebody saw something differently in terms of the pattern, I would like to hear that.
Sir, I saw something different.
Okay.
Sir, even I, sir.
Yeah, so who's that? We'll go one by one.
Sir.
Raise your hand up if you want to say something. I mean the blue hand, because I'm looking at my screen. I'm not looking at you people now. So I'm looking at the participants list. So if you raise your hand, yes, all of you who want to speak, raise your hand. Okay. So I'm going to give you a sequence of people who will say one after the other, and then we will
You
hear.
have to raise a virtual hand, not your own hand, the virtual hand.
Thank you for the instruction. Yes, I mean to say you have to raise your virtual hand. Okay, so as of now we have Daham and Daham and wait, Manav. Okay, so
Sir, we have Pranav and me.
who's that me?
Daham.
Daham. Okay. So Daham, Manav, and Nainisha. Okay. Nainisha. Did I get your spelling right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Daham, first tell me your pattern, then Panav, then Nainisha. Okay.
Sir, I actually didn't see the
Sir,
pattern.
even I rose my hand, sir.
Give me your name.
Rajiv.
Daham.
Then
I didn't actually see the pattern. I actually counted every single dot.
but in what sequence did you count it?
The first two from the top, then three from the middle, and two from the bottom.
Sir,
You counted it like this. Correct?
Me too, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Veer also, sir.
Daham saw this. All right. So Daham, you can put your hand down now. And Panav. Panav, how did you see it?
Sir, I saw it there were two on top, three in the middle, two on below, like the hum only.
So you also saw something similar to Daham. Okay. So then, Nainisha.
sir, I saw something like
Yeah.
two diamonds attaching to.
Yeah. That's an interesting one too. Yeah. You saw this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can add your names to it. If you saw a similar pattern to what these people saw, then you tell me. I'll put your name also against the others. That is. What, Rajiv?
Sir, sir, I saw basically a hexagon.
I want to know the name.
I saw a hexagon only with corners, with no lines, and the corners were dots.
Your name, sir. Tell me. Then I will draw your pattern.
What, sir?
Name, please. Who's speaking?
Sir, me, sir, Rajiv.
Rajiv. Okay, Rajiv, tell me, what did you see?
I saw basically a hexagon, but with no lines. Only I saw the corners, but the corners were dots, and a dot in the middle.
So you saw a hexagon like this.
Yeah.
But
But with no lines, sir.
Yeah.
But with no lines.
But the pattern is an hexagon, so I'm just drawing the
Yeah.
and a dot in the center.
Yeah.
So you saw an
But
hexagon.
with no lines.
I got it.
Yeah. And the corners were dots.
And the corners. Okay, so the dots were.
Sir, I also.
Yeah. Don't say I also. Tell me your name and then say.
Veer, sir.
Veer, you also saw the hexagon?
No, sir. I saw same like the Daham and Panav.
And Panav. Veer also saw.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else saw any of these or something? Yeah. Yeah.
Mudit, I saw it like Shailesh. No,
Sir, Ashish is not raising his virtual hand, he's raising his actual hand. Not raising his virtual hand.
Wait, any one of you who is watching everybody on the screen, you can help me out by telling me who's got their hand up. So that's perfect.
Sir, Ashley's hand is up.
Okay, Ashrit, you can tell me now. What did you see?
Sir, I kind of saw like stylish, but not exactly.
So
I
tell
saw two brackets and a dot in the middle.
you saw two brackets and a dot in the middle, but that's a variation of the same thing. But if you want, I'll draw it like this. Right? Is that right? Ashrit.
And Ardit is also raising his hand, and Srivas.
Okay, so Ardit, can you first speak and then Srivas? So Ardit first, then Srivas. Ardit, tell me, what did you see?
Ardit, unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself.
Sir, Nivan also, sir. Nivan.
Nivan.
Yes.
Nivan is
And Shreya.
okay. So there are 4 people now in the list. Can I just make a fresh list over here because I've heard all these people? I want to get as many patterns as possible. So tell me right now who is it? Will be Ardit, right?
Yes, sir. Ardit.
Then
Srivas.
Nivan.
Srivas.
Nivan.
And Shreya.
Emmett.
Timet is also.
okay, I may have got some of your spelling wrong. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Timet is also raising his hand.
Who?
Timet.
Emmett. Okay.
Sir, his name is written.
Guys, you can raise your virtual hand and go to participant, and there will be an option raise hand. You can click that.
Quite. I'm going to mute everybody. I'm just going to talk now. I have written the list of 5 people. So I want these people to speak one after the other what pattern they saw. You can either put your name to whichever pattern is there on the board, or you can say I saw something completely new. Okay, so tell me. Unmute yourself and speak.
Same as Mudit and Shailesh.
Same as Mudit and Shailesh. Okay. Shivas.
Sir, I saw it like a bar graph going up and down.
Okay, that's interesting. So you saw it like this.
No, sir, like it was all connected.
Okay.
The dots, it was going slanting like that, sir.
Okay. You'll have to describe that a little bit more to me.
Sir, it was like a economy going up and down and up and down.
Okay, so you saw it like this, like this, like this, like this, and then like this, and then down.
Yes, sir.
Kind of. Okay. So, but you're saying that it looked like a bar graph to me. Okay. Like the economy going up and down, huh? Okay. Did I get your spelling right? Okay. Shrivas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nivan. Double A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What did you see?
I saw it like Mudit, Shailesh, and Ardit.
Okay, so you also saw that. Most people end up seeing that. In fact, even when I saw it for the first time, this is the pattern that I saw. But I'm surprised. Like many people see, different kinds of things. Then Shreya.
Sir, I saw it like something like this. It was going like this.
You're showing me something.
So yes, it was going something like this.
Wait, I can't see you because I'm not seeing the screen. So just a moment. I'll just open your screen. Okay, so I just wanted to mention again. It's very interesting that Shreya would see a pattern like that. I couldn't see it and I couldn't even imagine how that would be. But when I looked at the dots, I could recognize. So who else wants to say something now?
Sir, it's Taham again. When I recall it, I saw one more pattern. I saw 2 patterns together.
Okay, so no, I see what I want to do is when you counted them, how did you count them? What pattern did you use?
Sir, I used 2 patterns.
Raham, let me finish. At that point of time, of course, if you see it later, like we are discussing it now, you will see all the patterns, right? Everybody's pattern is recognized. But I'm saying that in the beginning, when you first did the counting, what did you see? That's what my question is about. Okay. So now, is there anybody else who would like to share their pattern? Anybody else?
So sure, yes, sir.
Shaurya.
Sir, the Daham, Shaurya, and Rachit.
Daham. This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And not
I mean,
Shaurya and Rachit.
yeah, but I mean to say not to join with somebody, but I said if you saw something, some pattern which is not on the whiteboard already, please.
So Shaurya is showing his drawing in the screen. His pattern, sorry.
Shaurya is drawing his pattern and showing it.
Yeah. Shaurya pattern on the screen.
Okay, that's fine. So when you are ready with the pattern, you just tell me. So then I will have a look. So we have about 10 minutes left now in the class. So if I ask you the question, what has this to do with mathematics? What would you say?
Sir, I know.
Who's that? I know. Daham.
Daham.
Yeah,
I
Daham.
do that, sir.
Incidentally,
Sir,
Daham, you said in the beginning that you have done this before. Was this what you meant, or you were talking about something else?
sir, this is what I was meaning. I have done this before. Sir,
Okay.
this is because
Yes.
the different ways of doing one question in mathematics.
Yes. That's what I mean by saying that, see, the way we understand, visualize things in mathematics, right, can be completely different.
Sir, each other's perspectives.
There are different perspectives that are possible, and depending upon how they look at something, they may try to tackle the problem in their own way. Okay, and I think to say that mathematics is just one correct way of doing something, like if there is a problem that is given, there is only one correct way of doing something, then that is too narrow. That's like saying, okay, since there are 4 people who saw this pattern, this is the correct pattern to use to solve this problem. You can't say that. Okay, I would say that, yeah, since most people see this pattern, that seems to be the most common thing, especially because I also saw it. But I would say that something like what Nainisha saw, 2 diamonds with one common vertex, is very interesting. And it's unique because nobody else looked at it that way. And that's also,
Sir, I have one more pattern which I would want to share.
who's speaking?
So, Daham.
Daham, like I said, once you have seen the dots, right, you can always think of a variety of patterns. What I want to say is that when you actually had a problem to solve and then you saw the dots, what first came to your mind? I want to only take a discussion about that. Okay, and this part of it, if you can just be a little patient for a few minutes. Okay, this part of what happens in mathematics is something that interests me a lot. Okay, the fact that different people see some of these things in a different way and therefore attempt to solve problems in different ways. And this kind of speaks a lot to me about my own time of learning mathematics as a student, where every time I would, maybe foolishly so, try to solve things from my own perspective. I will always say that, okay, maybe this is the correct way of doing it, but I don't understand why I can't use this way or this way to solve the problem. In the case of pattern recognition, it's okay. It's not like it's a big deal. I can use any method, but I would do that every time. And what would happen is, since it's something completely new, I would end up having a lot of difficulty getting to the correct answer. Okay, and somehow then therefore I ended up feeling that maybe I wasn't so good at maths, but I was interested in math, but I wasn't good at it. Okay, and I think that that is part of thinking about this question: why do people like maths and why do some people don't like maths? How much of it has got to do with success and failure at solving problems, and how much of it has got to do with your way of looking at the problem? All right, you may be lucky if there is a particular way of looking at the problem which happens to be the correct method as given by somebody. But what's wrong if you have an entirely different way of imagining the problem? There shouldn't be any issues with that. Okay, So we are kind of close to ending the class for today, and I'd like to leave you with a question to think about. The answer to this question is very, very simple and straightforward. Okay? But what I want you people to do is I want you people to try and solve this problem uh, not in terms of the mathematics, which is easy, but just like you did for this particular task, you saw the number of dots and you made a pattern, and then through the pattern you tried to solve the problem. I want you to do the same thing with this particular question, and I want you to see what kind of pattern did you use in your mind to solve this problem. Okay, not the actual solution, the process to the solution, and the problem is this. So you might want to note this down. Okay, and I will send you the same problem as part of the Google Classroom, and you can answer the question over there. But when we meet the next time, I want you to carefully explain to me if you used some different way of solving the problem other than actually doing the math. The question is this, okay?
Sir, can you repeat the question again?
The question I'm putting it on the board, on the whiteboard. What I want you to do is I want you to, okay, in fact, I won't do it. I will send it as part of the Google Classroom. Okay, so you can solve it in the Google Classroom directly. And in the next class, when we meet, we will discuss the solution to that. Is that fine?
Sir, write it in the whiteboard, sir. We can all copy it.
It's okay. Right after this, I will send it in the. I will send it as part of the Google Classroom. The solution is not the important thing. What I want you to look at is how you use patterns to solve the problem. And maybe it will be better if I give it as Google Classroom, because then you will not look at the solution first. You will try to think about the pattern.
Sir, can you tell it now?
You will
Write
tackle
it
it in
down.
that way. Okay.
Sir,
So what is the time now? Can somebody tell me the time? I don't have a clock here.
excuse me, sir.
Sir, 2 more
11.
12 o'clock.
58. 2 more minutes remaining, sir. 2 minutes left, sir. It's 11:58, sir.
Okay, okay. So I
It's 11:58, sir.
will have to stop here because you have another class after this. So see you guys in the next.
Bye, sir.